Connect to Wi-Fi, make sure your iPhone and the AirPrint-enabled printer are on the same Wi-Fi network. You want to print a document, a paragraph, you want to print it at home. Today we will guide you to print documents from your iPhone. You only need to have a new generation iPhone and a printer ready so you can connect easily. Let's get it started. Step 1, open the app, launch the app, such as Mail, Photos, or Safari, that contains the document or image you want to print. Step 2, access sharing options, tap the sharing icon, usually represented by an upward arrow, dot. Step 3, select print, scroll down and select the print option. Step 4, select printer. If prompted, select an AirPrint-enabled printer from the list. Step 5, adjust settings, set the number of copies and any other printing options. Step 6, print, click print to send the command to your printer. Remember, your printed text, images, will be extremely easy and the quality will also be very good. Note that for this printing you will have to have a printer with good capacity to connect. AirPrint simplifies wireless printing directly from your iPhone, making it convenient and efficient.